Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News, and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
National leader of the Biafra Nations League. I don't know if some of you can hear me. It's quite unfortunate that when we are trying to be peaceful, we always get an attack from the Nigerian security operative. Yesterday or 2 days ago, yesterday, some of our members were attacked by Nigerian police force at the Kurikan area of Bakassi local government area, in Cross River State, and these boys were not with arms, rather they were holding their meetings, and the intention was to hoist our flag around the Ekurikan area before they were attacked. And these useless police officers will never come out when the militants are there. They don't want them well to come out. If those boys were militants, were the militants that operate in the region, in the Gulf of Guinea, the police wouldn't have come around. But because they got information that they were ordinary youths, ordinary members, and they came and tear gassed them and just to disperse them. But what I want to say is that if tomorrow they are attacked, if tomorrow the militant boys decides to retaliate for us, they shouldn't blame anybody. Not when they get attacked, they start pushing blame on our group. They start pushing blame on our group because they deserve to be killed for going after innocent people. They deserve to be killed. It has been like that. I don't know why the case of we operate so many areas around the borders, in Ikom, in Akampa, in Etum, Boki. These are border areas. But Bakassi is a very different area. I don't know why they keep proving stubborn there. Yet they cannot confront Cameroonian soldiers that are invading Nigerian territory to abduct Ambazonians. They cannot stop them from even abducting even our own people and take them to Yaoundé. So, but we are going to follow them accordingly. We follow them accordingly. I'm not here to talk about what we have or what we are planning for them. But the truth is that they cannot stop us. They cannot stop us. They don't have that capacity, that power to stop us. So that is it. That is the truth. Biafra has come to stay in Bakassi, in the Gulf of Guinea, and all around the borders. You cannot eliminate us from within this region. It's not possible. When we started, if they couldn't stop us when we started, is it now that we are now well established that they can stop us? They cannot. So anything they are doing is just like medicine after death. Medicine after death. Because we have gained ground within this region. We have gained ground. What I mean that we have gained ground. We have the support of the native people. That's number one. We have the support of the native people. We have the support of the elder statesmen, the elders, even the political class in Bakassi supports what we are doing. And so it will be difficult to, wipe the influence of Biafra in the region. But a lot of youth bodies are also supporting us, and of course, this is the region that will have overwhelming support. Both those on the Nigerian side, Nigerian control side, and those on the Cameroonian controlled side are giving us overwhelming support. So no amount of intimidation, tear gas, arrests and killings can stop these people from identifying and from fighting for their freedom, because they struggle for us to be free, for them to be free from Cameroonian control and from Nigerian oppression. So we are fighting a just cause. And of course, there is no going back. The best they can do now maybe is to look for me and arrest me for why is our boys causing they always target trouble in the region. So, but anyhow they see it, Biafra is not a criminal. Biafra struggle is not a criminal activity. They are two different things. So you have criminals and you have freedom fighters. So we are different from criminals. We are not criminals. We are genuine freedom fighters fighting for freedom of our people. So it doesn't matter what anyone thinks, whether it's against their law, it's against their constitution or whatever. We cannot obey everything in that constitution. We cannot obey everything in that constitution. Well, Biafra is not under it's not in their constitution. So you don't expect us to obey everything there. We cannot. If there is any law that is against our right to self-determination, our right to freedom, to freely exercise our God-given right, then that law will be violated. That law will be violated. Because what we are doing is in line with international laws. So we are not afraid of the consequences or the whatever they are planning to do to our people, especially in this election. Because I know they are sending more tanks and what have you to Biafra land to counter us. We are seeing them, we are seeing everything, and we are seeing all their plans. The only thing we tell our people to be careful. We tell the innocent civilians to be careful, because at the end of it, it is the civilians that will die, because they cannot confront those with guns. They can't. They only go when the war has ended. That is when you see the police or army at a particular scenario. But if it is on our civilian, the masses, that is where they have power. That is why when government kill or militant kill any of their person, they go and wipe out the whole community. A whole community. Have you seen soldiers that are not unprofessional soldiers? You can't stand the militant group, stand them, or stand the government. You go and wipe a whole community. That is unprofessionalism. They are not professionals. Nigerian troops, Cameroonian troops are not professionals. That's the same mode. They have the same mode of operation. They have the same mode of both in Cameroon. They have the same mode of operation. When anything happens, they go and face masses. Come out and face men with guns. Come out and face them. Come out there, will know that we know that they are very strong. It's not answering giant of Africa only by mouth. We're answering giant of Africa. Who made the giant of Africa? So I don't have much to say, but what I want to make them understand is that everything done to our people will be retaliated accordingly. Accordingly, that is law of Moses. That is law of Moses, and I believe in law of Moses. I don't believe when somebody slap me, I turn face, he slap me. I believe in law of Moses, and that is why. And of course, they don't confront us and go scot-free. They don't. Even both Cameroonian troops, they don't confront our boys and go scot-free. They don't. So, and they will continue to receive it hotter. Very soon it will be hotter. They will continue to receive it hotter. Very soon, because we are preparing our grounds, and of course, this time around, Biafra will be free. There's no two ways about it. Even those that are saying we should wait for 20 years, 30 years, 50 years, they are obeying their law. They are obeying their law. Even till the next 100 years.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.